Tech. In this video I'm going to show you an interesting way to take a portable hard drive which contains an HDD or hard disk drive and switch it with an SSD, which is a solid state drive, and make the solid state drive portable. Let's get started. Now, an interesting thing with a hard drive that is a 2.0, it uses that type of USB interface compared to a 3.0 hard drive, which uses that type of USB interface. As you can see, there is a big difference. So I'm going to go ahead and unscrew the screws that's attached to this hard drive, and you can see how the PCB is arranged differently as well. There we go, get the sides off, just like that. As you can see, these two hard drives are exactly the same, which means they both can fit internally into a computer or to fit inside of a laptop, considering their size. But look at the interface on this. It's actually very different compared to a 3.0 drive. See, the 3.0 drive uses a complete different interface. Does not work or fit or anything at all. So if you wanted to take a 3.0 hard drive to put inside of your computer or laptop and think that it might run faster, it won't, because the connections are completely different. You'll have to get a converter connection or connect it by USB and plug it into the computer by USB and keep it permanent. And as you can see, that 2.0 connection here does not fit at all into a 3.0 connection. So if you're wanting to take a 3.0 hard drive that's solid state and to make it portable, it won't work. So 3.0s are now impossible to convert. That's why now when you use a 2.0, 2.0s are more flexible to do conversions. So I won't be using a 3.0 in this project. And now I can take this interface that came from the hard disk drive and put it into the solid state drive, and it fits in perfectly. So now let's continue and make the conversion. There we go, it fits in there just perfectly, and you can slide it in just like that. And there you have it. Now you have yourself a portable SSD. There we go. Now let's go test it out. Light turns on, and it shows the disk drive. Perfect. And there you have it. It works. The computer recognizes it as a standard drive, as it was supposed to be anyways. Yes, I do agree that this disk drive is small, but the purpose of this video isn't to show an upgrade, it's just to show proof of concept of how you can actually use different drives and they all work the exact same way, just showing you the difference between 2.0 drives and 3.0 drives and showing how different the two drives are compared to each other, and show how they cannot be converted the same way or be backward compatible either. So it's just an interesting idea I wanted to experiment with. Of course, if you wanted to make a portable SSD and you wanted to become a high capacity, those would cost a lot more. So in a way, this is an interesting idea, but it's not really a cheap idea. It's just a fun idea to just try out. So there you have it. Thank you for watching SSD Tech, and I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more SSD Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.